how to collect donations and increase donation volume as part of your ticket sales or booking. This video demonstrates how to create one or more donation pages for different causes so you can collect donations and integrate the donation collection in the Purchase Fellow to significantly increase the volume of donations and create an integrated ticking and donation collection system. In another video, I explain how to attract and motivate sponsors and advertisers to support your events and give them great value to do so. If you are a nonprofit or charity organization who create or perform events or sell tickets, admission, or registration, or if you are a for-profit organization but support charity causes as part of your events, this video is for you. It applies to schools and school events, community theater and performing art groups, churches, synagogues, and other religious organizations, museums, theme parks or activities, cultural events, charity organizations, gala and fundraising events, classes, any event, booking, or registration that supports a charity or nonprofit cause or organization, and more. Collecting donations is an important function of any nonprofit organization, but unfortunately, most ticketing and registration systems miss this functionality or do not integrate it correctly into the Purchase Fellow to make it easy and seamless for the buyer to easily add donation and check out the donation as well as the tickets and registration in one transaction. So many organizations end up creating a separate, non-integrated donation system, and the potential donor has to pay for their tickets or registration first, and then proceed to the donation page to make a donation and pay again. Just imagine you could have asked the buyer if they wanted to add donation as they are purchasing their ticket, and they could have added the donation in one click and pay all together in one transaction. Well, Ticketor makes this seamless and with no friction. Besides that, donors can only pay donations without purchasing tickets or registration. What is Ticketor? Ticketor is a white-label, fully branded box office and ticketing booking system that allows you to have your own full-featured registration and ticketing system with full control over everything, including buyer fees, pricing, returns, terms, and policies. You can use it for online sales, ticket booth, or retail location, as well as over-the-phone sales. Ticketor can be used for any type of event or activity that requires ticketing, admission, registration, or booking, such as events, classes, admission to a museum, amusement park or attraction, tours, transportation, booking a service, room or equipment, etc. Ticketor comes at a very reasonable and unbeatable price that is transferable to the buyer, and it comes with great customer support, documentation, walkthrough, and tutorial videos. Ticketor is known to be the most featureful, flexible, and automated registration and ticketing system that meets the requirements for any ticketing or registration scenario. It also allows you to collect the sales money directly using your own payment processor or PayPal account so that you receive the sales money directly and as tickets sell. Your Ticketor website is fully mobile-friendly and search engine optimized. Your website and events are submitted to Google and other search engines to make sure you get the highest visibility on the web. You can read more about the Ticketor features at www.ticketor.com. Sign up. If you already have a Ticketor account, then sign into your account by browsing to your Ticketor link. Otherwise, sign up on ticketor.com. It takes less than a minute and requires no credit card. Fill out your basic information on the sign-up form, choose an address for your Ticketor portal, and click on the button. Choose any plan at this point, as all the plans support all the ticketing features you may need. Moreover, you can always change your plan at a later time. Click on the Sign Up button to see the confirmation page. Your ticketing and reservation system is ready, and you can navigate there using the link on the confirmation page to configure it, customize it, and create your events, store, gift cards, etc. When you first land on your website or a new page of your website, a walkthrough pops up. Go through the steps to learn about your Ticketor site or the page you are on. It takes just a couple of minutes, and it's the fastest way to make yourself familiar with the site or that feature. It will save you lots of time down the road. Creating an event. Creating an event on Ticketor is quick and easy. Let's quickly create an event. Please note that although we use the term event in this video, the concept can equally apply to any activity that may require ticketing, admission, booking, or reservation. I can create the event from the Quick Links section or from the Control Panel Events button. It pops up an event creation wizard that I can use to create my event's basics before going to the actual event editor that offers plenty of options and customizations. Alternatively, I can close the pop-up and use the event editor. Set the event title. Select the event type. The event can be online or in person. Online events can be live or on demand. You can use on-demand events to easily monetize your videos. In-person events can be assigned seated or general admission, or a combination of both. Assigned seated events allows the buyers to pick their seat on an interactive seating chart. Ticketor offers a state-of-the-art seating chart designer tool that allows you to build any seating chart, including theater style, round table dinner style, restaurant or cabaret style, nightclub style, or any combination of them quickly and easily at no charge. Select or create a venue. Venue is the physical or virtual place where your event happens. For seated events, the venue also contains the seating chart. Select the date and time of the event. If the event is recurring, you can set the date and time to the first recurrence and later on set the schedule. Optionally upload an image or flyer for the event. Set the tax or VAT and social distancing setting. Set the prices and pricing structure. Ticketor price levels and variations gives you full flexibility to create all kinds of pricing. If the event is assigned seated, it also lets you set multiple prices per seat, such as kids price versus adult price. You can add as many price levels, and each price level can have as many price variations. Some example of price levels and variations are general price, VIP, kids, seniors, members, time-based pricing such as early bird, last minute, group-based pricing such as couples ticket, family ticket, group of 10 or more, 2-day ticket, weekend pass, multi-session or multi-day tickets. Price levels and variations can have their own face price as well as the fee or the service charge that the buyer pays to you, as you are the only one who sets and collects the service charges, and you can charge as high or as low as you like. Price levels or variations can be time-based, so you can have time-based pricing such as early bird or last-minute prices. They can also be number-based that allows you to have group tickets such as family tickets, couples tickets, group of 10 or more tickets, 2-day admission, weekend pass, 10-session class, etc. They can also be password protected and hidden from general public. Note that you can change the pricing and the capacity at any time, and the changes will be effective immediately. For this example, I am creating a singles price as well as a couples price that is available in increments of 2 at a lower price. Then I need to add a payment processor or my PayPal. Payment processor is a financial service that allows you to charge credit and debit cards and deposits the money in your bank account. Most payment processors, except for PayPal, are behind the scene and the user doesn't know about their name or brand. We support most common payment processors including Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, Authorize.net. If you don't have one, you can simply get a Stripe or PayPal account in a couple minutes and use it right away. Click on Stripe or PayPal button, sign into your account, or fill out the sign-up form to get a new account, and click on the button to add that to your account. Finish the event creation wizard and it will take you to the advanced event configuration. There are lots of settings and configurations that allows you to customize the event. Complete the event by adding the event description, fine-tune the settings, add your flyer, and video. You can also set the event sales start and end date and time, set the event to recurring and set the schedule, specify what delivery methods are available for the event, Set your return or exchange upgrade policy so buyers can upgrade their tickets or change the date without contacting you. Set the event categories, type, and genre. Set the event availability, restrictions, or make it available to certain group or protect it with individual passwords. Add questions for the buyer to answer. Add relevant events, merchandise, gift cards, or donations to the pre-checkout page to upsell and promote them. And finally, test the event as an event buyer by going to the purchase ticket page, and if everything looks good, promote the event.
Okay, now that we have a Ticketor site and we have created a sample event, we can go ahead and add donation as a new page to our site. To do so, I go to Account and Settings, Pages and Navigations, and click on Add New Item. I select a page of type donation, I give it a title, and I save. The page is added to my top navigation. I could optionally hide it from my top navigation and just link to it from other locations. Now I go to the page and I can edit the content here. So in this content editor, I can explain my cause. I can explain why they have to donate to us. I can add pictures or videos. I can also define the preset amounts that are shown as an option here. So the buyer can easily click on one of these preset amounts and choose and add that to their shopping cart, or they can choose other and select any custom amount. My donation page is ready. This is the link to my donation page. I can easily post it on Facebook, Instagram, or send buyers to this link, and they can easily add donation, select the donation amount, add it to their shopping cart, and proceed to checkout. At this point, I am going to show you how to add this donation to the checkout flow, which is actually where the real value is. So as buyers are buying tickets or merchandise, they are suggested that they can add donation to their shopping cart, and this is where you can increase your donation volume significantly. So there are two places I can add this donation. One is that I can add the donation to my pre-checkout process of my whole site. So no matter what event or what merchandise they are buying, it's shown to there. But if the donation is related to a specific event, then you can instead add that to that specific event. First, I am going to add it to my whole site. I am going to Account and Settings, Site Settings, and I am going to go to the pre-checkout items. Here is where I can select the donations, events, or merchandise that I want to promote site-wide. So I'm going to click on Select Donation and select my donation and hit Save. By doing so, the donation is added to the pre-checkout items for my whole site. However, if I wanted to add it to a specific event, I could simply edit the event from the event section in the control panel, or as a shortcut, I can hover over my event and click on Edit Event. And there is another pre-checkout items here, which is specific to this particular event. So I can click on Select Donation and add my donation here and hit Save. Okay, now let's see how it works as an end user. So I go to the home page of the site where all my events are listed. I try to buy an event. Add the ticket to my cart, click on Proceed to Checkout, and this is what we actually added right now. So you may also be interested in page is added here, and it is suggesting me to add some donation. I can click on No Thanks, Proceed to Checkout, and continue with my shopping, or I can select to add some donation to my shopping cart and then proceed to checkout altogether. This is the checkout page. I can select the delivery method for my tickets. I choose the payment method and I fill out the form and check them out all together.
POS, point of sale. Make yourself familiar with the POS page that is available from Control Panel, Box Office, POS. The point of sale is a touch-friendly, very fast, single-page application that allows you and your sales staff to sell tickets or reservations face-to-face or over the phone in as many ticket booths or retail locations. You can accept credit card, cash, check, or you can send invoices. You can apply promotion code, season tickets, or gift cards. Based on your permission level, you can add additional fees or give ad hoc or direct discount. This feature allows you to easily give away complimentary or discounted tickets. You can use the POS on any tablet, computer, or mobile device. In terms of equipment for your retail location, Ticketor POS is very flexible. You can use no equipment at all, or use regular office printers or professional thermal ticket or receipt printers and credit card readers. The POS allows you to sell anonymously, or you can look up and create registered users. If an email address is provided during the sale, the buyer receives the tickets on their phone, which eliminates the need for a printer and paper tickets. Gate control, barcode scanning. You can use your phone or any device with a browser and camera to scan the tickets. Make yourself familiar with the Gate Control app. You can use the Android or iOS app, or you can use the browser app that is available from the control panel. You can admit buyers by scanning the barcode or the QR code on their ticket, or look them up by name, email, phone number, or confirmation number. Gate control also supports exit and re-entry, so you don't need to stamp attendees. Optional enhancements. What to do next? There are many things you can do to enhance and optimize your Ticketor portal. Here are a few. Design your site. Change the colors, upload your logo, email header, and background pictures. Add merchandise or gift cards to your store. Make yourself familiar with the point of sale's POS page so you can sell tickets face-to-face or over the phone in as many ticket booths or retail locations. Add a donation page and add donation to your checkout flow. Review all Ticketor features from www.ticketor.com to learn what else are available and can potentially be useful to you. Also, check out the Help and Instructions page. Scan the topics to know what are available and get ideas. Move the site to your domain or subdomain so the address of the site will change from ticketor.com/yourbusinessname to www.yourdomain.com or tickets.yourdomain.com. If you have another website and want to integrate Ticketor with that, design your Ticketor site and have the same feel and look as your other site. Match the items in the top navigation menu on both websites so visitors can easily navigate between the two sites. Link to your Ticketor site or pages from your main site, or embed the ticketing page or any other page into the other site. If you have a WordPress site, use our WordPress plugin for integration. Use the website builder features and add different types of pages such as online store, donation page, gallery page, photos and videos, blog or news page, reviews page. Also, edit the text, graphic on your pages, and add a beautiful slideshow banner. Make yourself familiar with the Gate Control app that allows you to scan tickets using any device with a camera and browser, and admit buyers by scanning the barcode or QR code on their tickets, or by looking them up by name, email, phone number, or confirmation number. Gate Control also supports exit and re-entry, so you don't need to stamp attendees. Introduce yourself to your dedicated support engineer. Ask as many questions. Ask them to review your site, event, or process. Schedule a Zoom meeting with them.